It's the Underdog back with another one. YouTube, what's good? Just want to show y'all a little trick when you change the spark plugs on these LS engines. This is a Chevy Avalanche. Throwing the spark plugs on it. You know that back spark plug is very hard to get to. I know a lot of people try putting a lot of extensions and swivels to try to get to that spark plug, but it's at an angle back this way. So thing is, it's the best, easiest way to get to it, because you're not gonna get it with a swivel or 3-4 extensions tied together from this angle up here. I mean, you could try to go down between the tie, but that's even hard to do. Cause the swivel gonna get bind up and everything. So what you do, you take you see your spark plug socket, right? Okay, look at this end. This is not here for nothing. This is here. So you can also use a socket on it. So that's a 5/8 socket. You will need a 3/4 socket to go on this, and it turns it. So what you do is you take your socket and you put right on your spark plug. See that? Goes right on your spark plug. You take your 3/4 socket and put on your ratchet. And look at this. Look how easy this is. Put that right on there. Alright, you got enough clearance there. So as y'all can see, my video ended up cutting. I ran out of storage. But yeah, what I was saying is you can clearly have enough space to get that spark plug out using this method. Hey, y'all stay tuned for the next video. Keep working on your projects.